In this video we are going to talk about our next problem, intersection of two arrays. Basically in this question we have been given two arrays, nums1 and nums2, and we have to return an array of the intersection. Each element in the result must be unique and you may return the result in any of the order. Basically we have been given two arrays, nums1 and nums2. Okay, so we have to return on the intersection of the two arrays. Basically the intersection of the two arrays is nothing but the unique elements in the array, means the same elements. Like as you can see here, the unique element is 4, 9. Okay, 4 and 9 are the unique elements in the array, and we have to return only the element once only. Means if the element is appearing 2 to 3 times, okay, but we have to return it only once only. That was the problem. In this problem statement we are using in the set. Set is basically a function. Set is basically a function. For example, let's suppose we have been given, yes, nums2. So our set of nums2 is basically what? 9, 4, 8. Okay, it removes all the similar elements from the array, like it removed 9 and 4. Okay, it gives the original array containing the unique elements only. So we have taken the set of a and b, and now a intersection b, a intersection b, a intersection b means we are finding the similar element from the array, as we have got 9 and 4 as our similar element. Okay, so this was the problem statement and nothing else. Thank you guys.